channel. My name is Brenda. If you love all things home decor, fashion, and lifestyle, hit that subscribe button. All of my oldies but goodies, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We are going to go to the Pottery Barn and West Elm Outlet, so make sure to keep on watching. You guys, time to spring clean. Out with the old, in with the new, and the good sales. If you know what I'm talking about. I couldn't wait to go to the Pottery Barn and West Elm Outlet. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for quite some time, you know that we've popped in there before. I've picked up a ton of goodies in the past, so I really wanted to see what new pieces they had at the outlets. But let me just stop rambling and let's head on over. Okay, you guys, so first up, Pottery Barn Outlet. Looks like they're fully stocked. They have a lot of good stuff in store. So let's see if we find any goodies that are worth coming to get for your home. They're having 40% off the entire purchase. Remember guys, these sales do apply on top of the markdown price. Okay, so let's go see. Okay, they have a lot of mirrors, which I love. You can never go wrong with a good mirror. This one's nice. $4.99. Here's another one, $3.49. Pretty. This is their outdoor patio stuff. Ooh, this looks really pretty. How much is this one? $7.99. Remember guys, everything you just take as is from the store. This is a really nice set right here too. But you guys can see, they have quite the options. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. Look at that, $2,599. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, this is nice. So modern and chic. $1,199. I love the design. Two of these in a backyard. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, I found this white, very minimalist patio set. I'm trying to see the name. Indio metal sectional corner white, $599. You guys, I'm sure that's just for this piece right here, which is the chairs, because then this guy right here is $798. So it's all sold separately, but you get the 40% off on top. There's two prices. So right here says $498. Santa Barbara mesh and metal club chair white, Malibu platform coffee table. Oh, here we go. So this is for the coffee table, guys. $798. The chairs are $498 each. So here they are. These are pretty. You guys know this is totally my aesthetic. I would totally get these, and you get 40% off on top. So the coffee table, I'm assuming, is this one. No, this is a bench. Where's the coffee table at? I don't see it, but the entire set, it's still very pretty. Maybe I'll try to find it online to show you guys what it looks like. Nice find. Okay, so here are the dining chairs. I'm not gonna lie, there's not really any that I would say run to Pottery Barn Outlet. Those bar stools are kind of nice. Do you guys see them right here? Final sell, they're ivory, bronze. They're going for $389, you guys. Plus the additional 40% off, don't forget that. Have some on this side. So you guys can see your options. Whatever fits your home aesthetic. Okay, I always see these at the retail stores. I believe these are still in the retail stores. These are going for $749 each, plus the additional 40% off. Pretty. These remind me of the Restoration Hardware ones. You guys know what I'm talking about? Very similar, except just gray. These are marked down to $200, you guys. Wow. Okay, I made it to the bedroom section. I want to go see what headboards they have in case you're looking to get a new bed. Let's see, 40% off, ticketed price, beds and headboards. Okay, here it is. I took it out as far as I can. Wow, this is a beautiful headboard. It is the Harper Low headboard only queen. white, $999, and you get the 40% off. This is nice. I love this. Just white, clean, pretty. Not bad at all. Here's another really pretty one that I typically see at Pottery Barn when I go in. This one is the Montgomery Headboard Queen, washed linen, cotton, $7.99. This one's pretty, very neutral. Okay, all my mommies, if you are looking for new furniture for your kids' room, I know, trust me, I don't like to spend that much money on my son's furniture either because he destroys it, but they have some pretty cool bean bags. Oh, Aiden would love this. This one is Teddy Bear Faux, $5.69 with the additional 50% off. So these are an additional 50% off, guys. What is this? What is this? The Hug Lounge, Girlfriend Ivory. I'm gonna put it down on the floor. Let's see. Oh. Wait, I think it goes like this, and then you sit in it. Yeah, that's cool. $149, and you get the additional 50% off. I have a lot of stuff for nurseries as well. All of my expecting mommies, or if you already have a baby, this is the cutest thing. Look at that. Oh. I love it. Oh, they have sheet sets. I love Disney. These are 40% off bedding. They have pretty neat ones. All the baby stuff on this side. Okay, who remembers me showing these robes? Guys, remember at the retail store? Well, they have them here. Let's see. How much discounted are they? $129. There better be some extra style. I'm sure there is, but they are going for $129 here at the outlet as well. Maybe you get that 40% off. I'm not quite sure, guys, but they have them. Okay, bathroom stuff. You guys know I'm always buying bathroom decor. This is the bath rug, classic, $42.50. This is a beautiful color. They have a ton of colors to choose from. Of course, you guys know I always gravitate towards neutral. Love that. Let's see what's on this side. Sorry if I got you guys dizzy there. Oh, 40% off decor. Okay, so it is 40% off. More towels. These are 26 plus 40. Williams Sonoma French Lavender hand sanitizer. Okay. Okay, here are the lamps. They actually have a really good selection of lamps. In case you guys are on the hunt for some good Pottery Barn lamps, they have a wide selection. These are nice. This black one is pretty, very Mediterranean. You guys can see the selection. They have floor lamps as well, in case you guys were wondering. I'll go back this way. These are going for $13.99. Very RH vibes, but beautiful for Pottery Barn. I love that they're very low to the ground. And you do get that 40% off, guys. Ooh, I found some Hogwarts holiday tumbler. I love it. You guys, my son's bedroom is still Harry Potter. I refuse to take it down. Let's see, some cutting boards. Love that. Okay, it's been a long time that I've been to the Elm Outlet. Let's see. They're having 40% off coffee and side tables. They have a ton of coffee tables, guys. Let's see. I'm excited to be back here because it's been a minute. So I'm excited. Let's see what we find. So these are 40% off lighting. You guys can see. I like this one. I like the texture. It's neutral on white. They have, I think, a better selection here than at Pottery Barn. And they're gigantic, you guys. Like, these are going for $299 and you get 40% off. This is a beautiful dresser. I love the color. Let's see how much it's going for. Oh, it just says outlet. Do you guys see this? How pretty. There's no price, guys, but really nice. They have quite the selection of nightstands and dressers. As you guys can see, $549 plus the additional 40% off. Black ottomans. Nice. These are black indigo ottomans. How much are these going for? $139. Check these out, guys. It's a bar cabinet. I love the aesthetic of it. The color with the brass detail. They're $1,099 plus the 40% off. Pretty. Okay, I like this for juice. So pretty. It's going for $39, additional 40% off. Guys, spring is right around the corner. That's pretty. Okay, now this is something I am in love with. It is going for $899 round fire table. Look at this texture, and it's black. Oh, so freaking good. You guys, you're probably gonna get sick of hearing me tell you how excited I am to finally have a backyard. Oh, I cannot wait to start shopping for patio furniture and all that stuff. Of course, I'm gonna share everything with you guys, but that is a good find. You guys can see their patio decor. They don't have as big a selection as Pottery Barn, but they do have quite some stuff. I love this ottoman. It's performance fabric. It's $799 plus the 40% off. Look how gigantic that is. I love it. Ooh, they actually have some pretty nice ones. Let's see, those are nice. They have these down here as well. These are going for $40 plus the additional 50% off. Do you guys see that? Wow. So this is what they look like, guys. This is the one pillow cover that I just shared with you guys, and there's a second one. It's actually smaller. These are really nice. Probably my two favorite ones. They're each around $40, and you get that 50% off.
Okay, you guys saw they had a ton of goodies. 40, 50 to 60% off on top of the markdown price. You guys, that is an amazing sale if you ask me. I know that Pottery Barn and West Elm could get pretty pricey, and it is quite expensive even if it is still the outlet, but I mean, you are paying for good quality furniture and you're still getting that sale on top of the markdown price. So I think it's totally worth it. Both of the outlets are located in Southern California in the city of Moreno Valley. So if you guys are near the area, I highly recommend you guys go and check it out. They are a decent sized outlet. Both of them are right next to each other, so it is super convenient to make the drive. And honestly, you guys, I saw a ton of goodies that I really liked. I cannot wait to start furniture shopping, and of course I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. We officially found a home. I will be moving in, if all goes well, by the end of the year, and I cannot wait to get some new furniture pieces, and the outlets are the way to go. I honestly cannot wait to go and start picking up some of these things for my home. But hey, if you guys are currently moving into your new home or just trying to get a refresh in your current home, make your way to the outlet. These pieces, you guys, are still being carried at the retail store. So keep in mind, as you guys saw that headboard, that what was it, at the Pottery Barn, that bed headboard, you could still find that at the Pottery Barn retail store, and a lot of the decor is also from the Pottery Barn retail store. So some of these pieces that they sent over to the outlet, it's not that they're damaged. They could have a slight damage to it if they are like floor samples. A lot of them are probably returned, or they're just out of season. You guys know retail stores, they get new stuff as the seasons come and go, so they sent a lot of their old stuff over to the outlets. I do want to head over to the Crate and Barrel and CB2 outlet. You guys know I love CB2, so give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys enjoyed coming along with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, let me know down below if you have checked out the outlet for Pottery Barn and West Elm. If you have, let me know, did you find something? I would love to know what goodies you guys came across. Until next time, I hope you guys are staying safe. Don't forget to go follow me over on TikTok and Instagram, you guys. I love staying active on there day to day, so you don't have to wait until I post over here every single week. I would love to have you guys over on Instagram and TikTok, and let's hang out. Let's talk home decor. Until next time, bye guys.